Well, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a homemade soup. I ask you to leave some comments here. Today we're going to do a soup that is exquisite and very good. Here we have all the ingredients. We have some chicken, some bacon, veal, 2 dry bones, a prosciutto bone, and the vegetables. And here we have kitchen carcass. Of vegetable we have carrots, cabbage, leek, turnip, celery, and turnip. Here you have everything, vegetables. We have 2 pots, one to clean the kitchen and the other one to do the soup. First we put the chicken in the boiling water to get it whitening. As you see, the meat is clean and the water is a little bit white because it has a lot of fat. The meat is white, we put it in the other pot. All the meat. Look, it's white. We only have it here for 30 or 40 seconds. And now we put the rest of the ingredients. The veal, bacon, veal bones. Look. Good. The bones and the vegetables. Everything. Oh, the pot. Well, I will not cover. And we put some grains of pepper, black pepper, like this. We have the soup boiled. We have it 2.5 hours. We have to put some water, but boiling water, not too much. And we will doing like this, removing the foam that is fat, so we have a very clear soup. Now it's clean, we don't have anything to remove. It's clean. When it's clean and boiled and white, we pass from one pot to the other with the strainer. I don't have a strainer, so we use this. I don't remember to buy one, but what we are going to do? Look. Now we need to put some salt, 1 spoon of salt, but be careful, don't put too much. Sometimes you put too much. Well, we have the soup ready to eat. Share it on the networks, social networks, and press like button. Thank you.